problems, especially with the police. We have problems. However, change doesn't happen overnight.
So singesabhekana nesikhathi emhlabeni la khona yonke into ngiyama lapho kwasicacele khona ngomsobala ukuthi silawulele impilo zethu. So it's about time, it's in control. Okuningi kufihla obala kubasendleleni obuka ngayo ngathi ukuphila kuyicala ngendlela umthetho usiphatha ngayo thina sihlezi isikhala masikhiphe isandla nifuna ingalo njalo sifaqala mangabe kunezifo efikayo ngakho ma-Afrika kuvukani ma-Afrika buyani silawulwe ngokuningi ngoba sithule manje buzani kungani ngenadokotela amasosha azofunani sahlaliswe emakhaya ngale kokwazi sophila ngani. Soon they'll be coming to your homes to inject you, making you believe that these vaccines will save you. Sebeshilo bazokubopha if you don't do what they tell you. Amalungelo akho baphucile with everything you can do. They are telling us where, when to go and what to buy now. Babylon, Ben, we know this is a lie. But a sale kaya slumber so that later we can die. Very sooner than expected, ibala lako is the why. Manje ulambile mqondo umila wazini uzolala udlile ngoba kulomgwaqo uphila kona bathi kunokufa okuhlangile. I look at this as a test ukuthi silawuleka kanjani. Bavele kwanevirus efaka umhlaba on lockdown ngobani. Lo moya suphefumulayo nangcolisa kusuka ekuqaleni. Nandisi izinto ezimbangela namhlanje short emhlabeni. Naswapha umqondo esikoleni saluza amakhono ematohweni. Bathatha okwethu ezweni basibiza ngegebenge makhoneni. Now fuck this. Enough is enough. Mangafundanga ngoba kwenzile ngiyakutshela kusazoba tough. We need to prepare ourselves physically nangokomqondo ngoba kulemba uthole ngokuhakala ngamakhala umkhondo. But by thinking out of the box, reading in between the lines and connecting the dots, abantu bafika lokuvikela thinking it's their fault. Nolweli qiniso yavalelwa not by those who call the shots. We are at war. Nabantu esingabazi ngisho amagama bagabiza ngenkululeko kulaba babazi bezama ukugobisa le nhlupheko egqileza kakhulu umnyama ngoba sakubukwa njengempucuzeko ukuflothela amafama.
What's your single overriding communication?
We're isolating the sick and quarantining those who we believe were exposed. We can't even tell people right now what they should be afraid of. We tried that with swine flu and all we did was get healthy people scared.
But this is a biological weapon.
When will we know what this is? What causes it? What cures it?
But this is a biological weapon.
It's the biggest shopping weekend of the year. And who stays home with kids?
Why don't you come over here and visit me? We got a swimming pool and I think we need to spend some time together.
My mom says I can't leave the house, but I want to.